So we are working on getting our tanks ready to put in the ground. And to do that, we've got to cut holes in them. So no pressure.
Just a little scary.
But we need to have an inlet and an outlet. So we're going to be doing these bulkhead connectors, which I will go into the tank and drill a 3-inch hole and then push this piece through. After that, Amy's going to thread this guy on with reverse threads. And then when we tighten this white one, it will actually snug up that nut even tighter.
Okay. Okay, do that again. Hope you wear clean socks.
I did.
That's good.
Whee! Okay. There's why we had to drill from the inside, because the nipple was on the inside. If it was on the outside, my center hole would have nowhere to connect to.
Oh, gotcha. So you're scraping off all that stuff. Why?
Because we want to have a smooth sealing surface.
Oh, okay.
The inside's probably the most important because that's where the gasket is.
Right.
There you go, that was a good spin.
Okay. Seems to be on there well.
Yeah, and so the main thing is to get that squeezed enough that that gasket on the inside doesn't allow any water to leak out.
Okay. Okay, sorry. It's like...
You laughing at me?
It looked like some weird ballerina move. Okay, just a second. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Oh, no. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
This video is not sponsored by Caterpillar.
All right, boots are on. We've got the fitting up there in the tank. Kind of hard to tell, but this is a big tank.
Tank number 3. Last tank. Jeff's gonna push it over like a linebacker.
Not a ballerina?
Not a ballerina. Nope. Okay, do that again.
Oh, it's on a rock.
Into the last tank.
Hello?
Hello. My hands aren't this big. Pretty little flower in the middle of the dirt.
All right, now we're going to vacuum out all the drill shavings from drilling those holes.
Okay.
So here we are once again looking for decomposed granite. We found
We
it.
found some.
Good job. So I'm standing in the hole that our almost 7,000 gallons worth of water storage is going to go. So now I've got the hole kind of roughed out. It's the right size. We're going to fit 4 1,700 gallon tanks in this hole right next to each other. And so leaving room for fill, we need 6 feet for each tank. So we've got a 24-foot long trench that's roughed out. Now Amy and I are going to start checking grade, get the bottom of this perfectly level so all the tanks drain at the same amount and we don't have one tank draining completely before the rest. So we'll call 5 our lowest.
Okay.
Down a foot.
Yeah, like almost 4-4. We have to dig out a few more places here, but I think we actually might have buried water tanks today.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun. The feeling we chase, I'm wide awake. Take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
We're about to put the first 2 tanks in the ground, and then we'll see how much more. I think we're pretty much ready to put all the tanks in the ground, but we're gonna start with the first 2.
I'm just gonna drive.
Here we go.
Wherever we go, we're taking control. The future is ours now. The road never ends. It's me and my friends. These are the good times. And I'm feeling like I could go on forever. And I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. This feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
Tank number 2 coming in.
I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
to remember I am little.
I
You
know.
are big.
Tank number 3. So we have 3 tanks in. 2, 3. We have 1 more tank to get in, but we have to do just a little bit more digging. Not too much, but a little bit more on the back side there. So we're pretty close. No more water tanks. Wow, that rock wall looks so professional.